Hello traders, the title of this video is how to day or swing trade using moving averages slope like a pro. How to day or swing trade using moving averages slope like a pro. So for traders who do not know what is a slope, alright, so if it's sloping down, so we say that the moving average is sloping down. It means that it's declining. When we say that the moving average is sloping up, it means that it's rising. And there is one more. And when we say that the moving average is not sloping, it means that it's going horizontal. This is what we call a balanced market, when the moving average is going horizontal. So those are the slopes that we will be watching. So talking about how to day or swing trade using moving averages slope like a pro, I recommend to traders to use the moving average 100 on every time frame. Moving average 100 sloping down. Now, you understand that there are traders, scalpers, also use moving average 10 for fast-moving financial instrument. One day I will be recording a live video when I will show traders how this is done. But today we want to talk about how to day or swing trade using moving averages, a slope like a pro. All right. So now we all understand the slope of a moving average. Therefore, we can begin our demonstration now, showing traders how one can day or swing trade using moving average slope. So I have here, I recommend to traders to use the moving average 100, okay? Very important. So don't forget that. So here we can see that the moving average 100 was sloping down. Will you agree? It was sloping down in this session here. And now currently is going horizontal. I'm on a daily chart of, transocean, oh, what a difficult name, LTD. The epic is RIG, transocean. Oh, please. All right. The epic is RIG, okay? This is a Russell 1000 stock, an American stock, and the moving average 100 was sloping down here, and in this session it's not sloping, which means we have a balanced market. All right? How can we trade that? Okay, very good. In order to trade this, we want traders to use the RSI period 14. Advanced traders do not have to use the RSI 14, but for traders that are still learning, they can use the RSI period 14. Because advanced traders understand when a financial instrument is overbought and when a financial instrument is oversold. All right? So when it's sloping down as it is here, moving average 100, not 20, not 30, 100, sloping down, and the RSI period 14 is overbought, that's a bearish trading setup. We will implement a top-down trading method, different time frame trading method, multiple time frame trading method to trading following the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. RSI sloping down, moving average correction, moving average 100 is sloping down, and the RSI period 14 is overbought. That's a bearish trading setup. That bearish trading setup will generate bearish signal. Using a top-down trading method, you can see that this was a good one here, isn't it? It went down. It went down, boom, down to the moving average 20, moving average 100 here. The first one also here was, let's put it exactly there. Here it is, was a gorgeous one, because what has happened here, the price rally to the moving average 100. Very fast. Let's speak to earlier wave traders. Whenever you see a financial instrument that rally 1, 2, 3 below the moving average 100, 1. I'm speaking to area wave traders now, 1 to 3 like this, below the moving 100, and touching the moving 100 on the A. Usually this is a bearish trading setup. So the RSI is overbought, the moving average 100 is sloping down. This is what we are talking about here. This is a bearish trading setup. Traders that are more advanced, that are looking at the price structure, will also notice that the price has exhibited, okay, 3 more, 1, 2, 3 on the head of moving 100. RSI is overbought. We will be swing traders, will be salivating like Pavlov dog, all right, looking for, okay, their payday, so to speak, and using the top-down trading method to trade. It's a beautiful, gorgeous signal here. Traders that are using the TSCW24 also for swing trading purposes, this is a good setup on a daily chart, okay? Another one here, RSI is again overbought here, while, okay, the moving average 100 was sloping down, yes or no? Was it a good one? Yes, it was a good one. Can you work with this? Probably. Check it out, all right? Here again, RSI period 14 is overbought. Any moving average, you were here, the moving average. So in fact, it started from here. It's a bit messy. That's why we must use a top-down trading method. So it went a few days, bounce up, looking for a better resistance. Why? Why it bounce up again here? You see, it bounced up a bit here. All right. Looking for, because this is why we are talking about advanced trader can use a trend line. Those are the best way to sell. You see, trend line, tack, tack. It's the solely on the edge. They want to sell again on the edge of that bearish trend line. But because a lot of traders like technical indicators, that's why I'm recording this video. Because traders keep asking me, Joe, talk about moving averages, talk about all right, RSI. Traders love technical indicators. More advanced traders love the price action, area wave, market geometry, and so on, all right? But we will record those videos about technical indicators, talking about how to day and swing trade, using moving averages, slope like a pro. So far, so good, all right? So when the moving average 100 is not sloping, we have what we call a balanced market. Traders that are using what we call market profile. Have you ever heard about market profile? I haven't been recording videos about market profile, but I believe in 2017 I'll start recording more videos about market profile. In that scenario, I think I'll be using the charting software, the Sierra charting software. Are they still around? Have to look on the internet because I'm not using Sierra Chart anymore. But they have an excellent charting software, the Sierra Chart, for market profile that I was using years ago. So when I start talking about market profile, balanced market, imbalanced market, all right, all those things, I will be looking out to see whether Sierra Chart is still around. Excellent charting software I was using before. Now that TC2000 start putting me in a funny mood, all right, so to speak, all right. I like to use my TC2000 in a browser, please, all right? So when the moving average 100 is not sloping, we have a balanced market. In this scenario, we can look for bullish and bearish setup. When it's sloping down, we will only give priority to bearish setup, i.e. RSI overbought, RSI 14 is overbought, will be helpful to us, or we just use trend lines, okay? But when it's not sloping, it means that we have a consolidation that is taking place. So whenever the moving average 100 is going horizontal, we are in a balanced market that the price has a high chance to consolidate. Now we can draw those consolidation zones. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Advanced traders do not need technical indicators. They just need to look at the price itself. It's consolidating, oscillating between those two. See here, it breaks above. Look at this beautiful signal here. It breaks above the consolidation. Area wave trader, what's this? On a daily chart, this is the first area wave, second area wave on a daily chart. Yes or no? Subscribe to 24 area wave YouTube channel so you may understand what we call the price structure. The third wave. An extended third area wave going on here. One can use market geometry by measuring the width of this channel. You see, this is it. Advanced trading. and projecting the direction of the price to set target as the price is going up. It breaks above, you project it again. Quickly, George. All right. And so on. So now we are above the data resistance using market geometry. You see? So when the moving average 100 is not sloping and the RSI period 14 is oversold as it was here, was retested. You see here, it was in fact oversold. See here, it's a gorgeous one because if you draw the channel, you'll see a better place. See here, it's a bearish. This is price was going down. So the simplest way to know that a financial instrument is oversold is when the common centralized kaput and the price breaks above it. You can say that it starts becoming oversold now because it's no more stuck below the common centralized here. Implement a top-down trading method to trade it. So what the price has done here is very interesting. So in fact, it went up a bit and then gap up because traders saw it and then pull back again to retest. This very friendly pullback here. That's why you must use a top-down. If you were chasing it, because what has happened here, they bought it at the low of the consolidation. Minimum first target is where the median line. They took the first profit here. Be aware of that. They always take profit near the median line and they pull back. It's still on, and now they push it through. Okay. So when the moving average 100 is going horizontal, we are talking about the slope of a moving average. Here we are using the moving average 100, which I recommend to trade when it's not sloping. And the RSI is oversold. It's a bullish trading setup. Again here, oversold is a bullish trading setup. Implement a top-down trading method to trade it. So because it's a balanced market, talking about market profile, you will buy at the low of the consolidation, minimum target near the median line. You see, they took profit again here. All right, be aware of that. And then if it breaks above the median line retest, you will take it to the top of the consolidation. And then you will catch out again there. If you want to buy above the consolidation, allow it to break above and to retest, which it did exactly here. A beautiful. Look at that. Look at this doji sitting there alone, gap down with a doji. Can you see that? No. Do you admire the chart sometime? Look what's happening here. This is a nice view. And the next thing, this is sometimes today called island. This doji is just hanging here alone. And again, it gap up again. What? It is a kangaroo stock over. Okay? Transoyen, LTD, Epic RIG. This is a beautiful stock. Gap it down, set it nicely, gap up, torque it, run away. Beautiful. So when the moving average 100 is not sloping, it's horizontal, we have a balanced market. RSI oversold, we can buy. RSI overbought, we can sell. But here you can see what has happened here. That's why I say always use a multiple time frame trading method, because if you were not using multiple time frame trading method, you will be selling here because the moving average is not sloping. It's a balanced market, but the price is about to break above a retest. By using a top-down trading method or different time frame trading method, you are controlling a risk instead of hoping that definitely it will change direction here. You see, this is about trading like a pro. All right, different time frame trading. All right. So obviously, as I talk about the negative slope, talking about negative slope means that okay, it's declining. Positive slope means that it's going up. All right. Remember when we were going to school, the function, negative function. All right, mathematician. All right. The opposite is also true. If the moving average 100 is sloping up, which means it's rising, all right, and the RSI period 14 is oversold, that's a bullish trading setup. So contrary to the negative slope, when we have a positive slope, we will be giving priority to bullish signal when the moving average 100 is sloping up. But remember that the price does not go up forever. So I will recommend to trader that using area wave and market geometry to pay attention to the price structure. But this video is for all traders, so I make it in a way that ordinary trader can also understand what we are talking about here, instead of speaking some difficult, okay, trading language here. All right. So very simple. That's how one can use, okay, a day or swing trade using moving averages, a slope like a pro. If it's sloping up, give priority to bullish signal, RSI oversold, that's a bullish trading setup. If it's sloping down, give priority to bearish signal, RSI overbought, that's a bearish trading setup. If the moving average 100, only 100, okay, is not sloping, we have a balanced market, it's going horizontal, we are ready to buy and sell. So we are looking for opportunity to sell at the top of the consolidation, looking for opportunity to buy at the lower part of the consolidation, meaning that when the RSI is overbought, we will sell. When it's oversold, we will buy. So we are ready in both cases. We are ready to sell and buy using overbought and oversold stochastic when the moving average 100 is going horizontal. In all cases, in order to trade like a professional trader, one must always use what? A top-down trading method. This is the end of this tutorial about how to day or swing trade using moving averages, a slope like a pro. I hope you have found it useful. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to day or swing trade using moving averages, slope like a professional trader. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.